Hi guys, welcome to the Chef's Backyard. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite breakfast sandwiches. This sandwich is on toast. It's got some sausage, some eggs, and some cheese. It's quick and easy. All right guys, let's see how that sandwich looks. We've got the beautiful layers in there. You've got your cheese, your eggs, your sausage. Hi guys, welcome to the Chef's Backyard. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious breakfast sandwich. We just need a few ingredients. We need some cheese, sausage, egg, some bread, some butter, and I'm gonna serve that with a side of crispy rounds, and we'll fry those up in the fryer. All right guys, so we just need a few ingredients. We've got some cheese, some sausage, an egg, and bread. We've also got some butter. The equipment we're gonna need, I've got my stove, my burner. We've got a pan. We need a spatula, that way we can turn the eggs and the sausage. And then I've got this silicone egg mold, silicone egg ring. I love these things. They're great for helping the egg keep that shape. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is, now that this is getting a little bit hot, we're gonna add our egg ring in. We're gonna add a little bit of butter. We can throw that sausage in there as well. And we'll crack our egg. Always wanna crack it on a flat surface. And then I like to pop the yolk right there. And then we'll take our bread and toast it right here in the pan. Take a little butter and press that down. Press that down on the pan. We need to season our egg a little bit. This is that Chef's Backyard flavor formula. While that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and drop these crispy rounds. We're gonna fry them up, let them get crispy. Right now I have my flame set pretty high. We can already see the egg moving. We're already starting to get a little bit of browning on the toast. I think the sausage is gonna take the longest to cook out of all of this. Switch our plates. Yeah, see, we've already got some browning going on our bread. That's a good sign. The ring helps the egg to keep its shape. So now what I can do is go ahead and pull that off. Set it over here. We'll give that guy a flip. Give it a little more seasoning. We'll give our sausage a flip. Now this is a fully cooked sausage patty, guys. If you're not using the fully cooked sausage, make sure you cook that first, okay? Go ahead and take this, scoot it over here, lower my heat again. I like the way that egg is cooked. Now we can start layering this sandwich. I like to go with cheese, then the egg, and the heat from that egg will melt the cheese. We'll give that sausage another flip. We'll lift our crispy rounds out of the fryer. And now we'll finish assembling the sandwich. So we've got the bread, the cheese, the egg. Here comes the sausage. And then we'll do the top piece. And I like to serve that sandwich with some salsa. So there you have it, guys. We've got our beautiful sandwich, some crispy rounds, and salsa. Oh man, that is delicious. All right, so look, this is how I like to eat it. I like to take some of that salsa, put it right on there. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for visiting me here at the Chef's Backyard. This is where I share all sorts of quick, easy, educational recipes as well. So make sure you stop by, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Hope to see you soon here at the Chef's Backyard.